The two things you'll need for pairing are your device and your pairing code. You can find your pairing code on your Shapes welcome card, on the back of the controller, and on the back of the power supply. Before you begin, make sure your Shapes panels are plugged in and that you're on a non-5G Wi-Fi network. If you've used the Nanoleaf app before, you can tap on My Devices and then the plus to add a device. If you've never used the app before, you can tap on I have a set and then create an account. Tap on Shapes to add your Shapes panels and then start pairing. On an iPhone, the camera will open automatically to capture your pairing code. You have three options to pair your device: scanning a QR code, NFC tap, or by entering your pairing code manually. To pair with NFC tap, make sure NFC is enabled on your device and then tap it to your controller. Then the pairing process is complete.